Hey guys, as you know, I'm actually juicing, and so I went on Amazon and I found these bottles. So these bottle comes in three sizes, and I actually went and got the 12-ounce size. It's called the Hingwah glass drink bottles, and I guess you can store not just juice in it but other stuff, but I am actually using it right now for juicing. And you can see from the demo on Amazon, they're just showing you how you can use them for different things. Yes, but for me, I actually went ahead, purchased it. I'm gonna unbox, show you what it looks like, and just, I just want you to know what I feel about it. Okay, so just stay tuned as I show you from I pick up the box, and also I'm gonna give you my feedback and what I think about it. So as you can see, as I mentioned, it's three sizes. Those are the sizes. I got the 12 ounce, and the 12 ounce has 20 bottles in the box. And I'm gonna pick up mine now. So it comes in that Amazon box, and once you remove that box, there is another box inside of it. So you can see that right there. And I'm just gonna open that, and you are going to see it. So that's it. It comes with some labels for the bottles if you want, and I like the foam concept over it. That's the bottles right there, 20 bottles. I think the bottles are good, sturdy, and the cork could have been a little bit stronger, and it does the job. So I will give it maybe more like a 8 out of 10 because of the cork, but it does the job. It comes with something to wash it, and yeah, I like the fact that I can store back the bottles in the actual box. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to wash your bottles and also dry them. Use them for your juicing. And next time you come back here, or even before you leave, make sure to like the video, share it, subscribe, and make sure to invite your friends and family to be a part of our channel. God bless you. Take care.